Mabuhay! Uh, Greeting with peace to you, Datok Seri Anthony Francis Fernandez, and to all the people behind CCH. I'm Maria Teresa Buendia. I'm from the Philippines. I'm 24 years of age, and I'm a previous employer of the Philippine Sports Commission. Recently, I just enrolled in one of our state university here in our country, taking up entrepreneurial management. Honestly, I really don't know why I had taken up that course because I really don't want to be an entrepreneur. That changed that changed when I read an article and the issue was you. Your story really amazed me. From accountant turning into managing director and now owning your own business was really quite amazing and fascinating at the same time. Putting a business, risking with the equivalent of risking everything you have is really so heroic just for the sake of those people who can afford to ride an airplane. And for that, sir, I really want to congratulate you and for all the prestigious awards you just recently received. Now, sir, may I ask you, if you're gonna be a leader or a public servant in Malaysia, on what position and why? Sir, you are a great leader, and Malaysia will continue to bloom having a leader like you. Thank you, and God bless you more. Hope to meet you soon, sir.